I'm Anil Kumar, and here is a very interesting question to find area of a triangle. We may have to use sine law or cosine law to solve this question. The question is, find area of a triangle whose smallest side length is 10 centimeters and the angles are 50 degrees, 60 degrees and 70 degrees. You can always pause the video and answer the question. So let me sketch a triangle and let me keep the smallest side right here. Okay, so this is my smallest side. So the smallest side will be opposite to the angle which is smallest, so opposite 50, right? So we'll keep this as kind of, let's say this is one angle and this is the other side. Okay, so we just make a triangle. The only thing which I have to take care of is that smallest side should be opposite to the smallest angle. So that is 10 centimeters for us. Is it okay? So that works. Now, as per your diagram, you could say the other angles are 60 degrees and 70 degrees, right? So that is what is given to us. We are given a triangle, and in this particular triangle, smallest side is also given. So let me say the triangle for us is ABC, okay? The smallest side A is 10 centimeters. Now we need to find the area of the triangle. To find the area of triangle, we need the base. We know the base is BC now, 10 centimeters, plus we also need the height. So to find area, we basically need to find the height. So at this point where the altitude touches BC, be D. Okay, so this point is D for us. So we need to find AD. How do we get AD? To find AD, we need to find either of these sides. So we can apply the sine law since we have a combination of opposite side and angle pair, correct? So let us find AB from here. So we are applying sine law, which is ratio of side and sine of the angle. So we'll use AB, the side which we need to find, divided by opposite angles, sine, which is sine of 70 degrees, should be equal to what is known to us, the side BC, which is 10 centimeters, divided by sine of 50 degrees. Is that okay? So I've kind of written the sine law straight. Correct. Now, cross multiply. So AB will be equal to, rearrange. So we have sine of 70 degrees will be multiplied by this 10 over sine of 50 degrees, correct? So we can use the calculator to calculate this out. So let's do 10 times sine of 70 degrees divide by sine of 50 degrees, correct? So that gives you an answer, and this is equal to 12.2668 anyway. So that becomes the side AB for us. So let me write this round to, let us say 12 point, we'll do approximate 12.3. We'll round to one decimal place since 10 centimeters is given to us. So we are rounding this to 12.3 centimeters. Is it okay? So this is this much centimeter. Now we have a right triangle, correct? So in the right triangle, we can actually find the altitude AD. So if you see from 60 degrees, this is the opposite side. So we are given the opposite side and hypotenuse. So Katoa, you could use sine, right? So now we can say that sine of 60 degrees should be equal to the opposite side, which is AD, divided by the hypotenuse, which is 12.3, right? 12.3. So from here, rearranging, we get what AD is. So AD is equals to 12.3 times sine of 60 degrees. Let's again use the calculator. So we have 12.3 times sine of 60 degrees equals to 10.65. So this is 10.65, right? So AD is 10.65 centimeters. So now in this triangle, what are we given? We're given the base, which is BC, which is 10 centimeters. We are given the height AD. So if you want accuracy, you can put 10.65 for the time being. AD is 10.65 centimeters. And so the area of the triangle will be equal to half base times height, which is half of the base BC is 10 centimeters and the height AD is 10.65, right? 10.65. So let's calculate this answer. So it gives you, we'll multiply first 10 by 10.65 and then divide by 2. Round it later. So this is 53.25. So we can write this as approximately 53. Area unit should be centimeter square. So centimeter square. So area of this triangle is our answer, which is 53 centimeter square. Correct? I hope these calculations are clear. You can go through this video once again and understand how we have sketched the diagram, applied the sine law to find one of the sides, and then the trigonometric ratios to calculate the altitude. And then finally, we applied the formula for area to calculate the area of the triangle. I'm Anil Kumar. You can always share and subscribe my videos. Thank you and all the best.